किबरिया साहिबे जमाल आ गए हबीब किबरिया साहिबे जमाल आ गए हबीब किबरिया साहिबे जमाल आ गए। शाइस्ता को दाद देते हुए इंग्लिश स्पीच पेश करें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful, honorable teachers and all my dear sisters, Assalamu alaikum. Today of my speech, the Holy Book Quran. The Holy Quran is the last book of Allah. It is the most book of Allah. Has 30 chapters. It has 114 surah. Its sentence are called ayat. Quran, the Holy Quran says that we should be kind to other. There is only one Allah. We should worship Him alone. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. A Muslim should read the Holy Quran daily. He should be need and alone when he touch the Quran. We should be its meaning and cry them. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
अगर हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो हसनैन उर्दू मीडिया को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें।